Hello, Click Designers. This tutorial is going to show you how to master the ClickDesigns Brand Kit when creating designs. To view and create a brand kit from your dashboard, you want to go to the brand section over here on the side. Then from here, you'll see this brand kit section, then choose Create Brand Kit. Simply type in your brand name, then click Continue. Here you can upload your own creative assets, create a color palette, and even upload customized fonts. For the creative section, I'm going to be uploading my logo. Once you have an asset uploaded, it is automatically going to curate a personal color palette for your brand. Here I have 3 different assets or logos for my brand kit, and as such, I have 3 different personalized color palettes from these images. Again, you can always customize them. You can click this plus icon to add in new colors. You can add in a specific color code, and you can even duplicate or delete specific palettes. You can add in new ones. You can even rename them, or you can rename the pre-existing color palettes. You can input the name like so, and then click on Save. Lastly, over here, you can upload your very own fonts associated with your brand. You can do this by simply clicking on the plus icon, and here you can choose fonts from the font library on ClickDesigns, or you can upload your very own font by dragging and dropping to your device. I have this font uploaded, and I just added in my font name. Then I'm going to click on Add Font. As you can see, our font was effectively added on. We can add as much or as little fonts as we'd like for our brand kit. Now, for instance, I have this design, and to use the assets that we've uploaded onto our brand kit, on the side of the editor, simply go to the Brands tab, and here you can very easily filter through different brand kits if you have more than one. Since we've created this one, let's go ahead and use that. I'm going to simply upload the ClickDesigns logo that I uploaded onto my brand kit, and using the fonts that I have over here, I can update this accordingly. I can simply click on a text box and use the uploaded fonts that we have to update accordingly. Lastly, I can recolor all of the elements to coincide with our brand kit's color palette. You can view all of the brand kit's palettes over here underneath. Again, you can filter through them if you have more than one. And then from here, I can simply adjust and change the colors to my liking. And once you are done and happy with your design, don't forget to click on Save. And there you have it. That is everything that you need to know when it comes to curating your own brand kit with the help of ClickDesigns, and how easy it is to incorporate your brand in any design with ease once you have all of these assets on your fingertips. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.